the hidden credit score that banks actually use, not what you think. Welcome to the Own Your Finance channel. Your credit monitoring app shows 750, but the bank just denied your loan because they saw 680. Here's why. Banks don't use the credit score you think they do. I'm about to show you the 3 hidden scores that actually matter for your next mortgage, car loan, or credit card approval. The truth you need to know. There are actually over 28 different credit scoring models. The free score you're checking is probably Vantage Score 3.0. But here's the kicker. 90% of lenders use FICO scores, and there are 16 different versions of those. Let me break down the 3 that will make or break your next application. Number 1. FICO Score 8 for credit cards. Number 2. FICO Score 5 for mortgages. Yes, they're still using a model from 1995. Number 3. FICO Auto Score for car loans, which weighs your auto payment history differently. A real story. Let me tell you about Sarah, who discovered this the hard way. She spent months monitoring her credit score through her bank's app, watching it climb to 760. She felt confident applying for her dream home mortgage. Then came the shock. The lender said her score was actually 695, and she didn't qualify for the best rates. Sarah's story isn't unique. This happens all the time because most people are tracking the wrong score. Her app was showing her Vantage score, but the mortgage lender pulled her FICO Score 5, which hadn't caught up to her recent improvements. Why this happens? Here's what's really going on. FICO and Vantage Score calculate your score differently. FICO weighs payment history at 35%, Vantage Score at 40%. Vantage Score updates faster, and FICO is more conservative. And FICO creates specialized scores for autos, mortgages, and credit cards. The 3 scores you need to know. FICO Score 8, credit cards. This is what 95% of credit card issuers use. It's harsh on high balances, but more forgiving of isolated late payments. Tip: keep utilization under 30% on all cards, not just overall. FICO 8 looks at individual card utilization too. FICO Score 542, mortgages. Mortgage lenders usually use the middle score from all 3 bureaus with these older models. They're slower to reflect improvements, but also slower to show damage. Tip: if you're buying a home in the next 6 months, focus on paying down debt rather than opening new accounts. FICO Auto Score, car loans. This version gives more weight to your past auto loans and is more forgiving of other credit issues. Tip: if you're car shopping, your auto payment history matters more than your credit card history for this score. How to check the right score. Here's how to see the actual scores lenders use. MyFICO.com, the only official source for all FICO scores. Experian.com, free FICO 8, paid for others. Chase Credit Journey, free FICO 1, close to mortgage scores. Discover Credit Scorecard, free FICO 8, even for non-customers. Real examples. Let me show you what this looks like. Client A, Vantage Score 740, FICO 8, 720, FICO 5, 701. Client B, Vantage Score 680, FICO 8, 695, FICO Auto, 720. Notice how Client B would actually get better auto loan rates despite having a lower overall score? That's why knowing which score matters is so crucial. Advanced strategy. Here's the expert-level strategy. Score optimization for specific goals. If you're buying a house in 6 months, focus on FICO 542. Pay down credit cards. Don't close old accounts. If you're applying for credit cards, monitor FICO 8. Lower utilization on individual cards. Build a recent positive payment history. If you're buying a car, check your FICO Auto Score. Your auto loan history matters most. Recent credit inquiries won't hurt as much. If you found this valuable, do 3 things right now. First, hit subscribe and ring the bell. I drop new finance strategies every week that most creators won't tell you about. Second, go check your actual FICO scores using one of the methods I showed you. Screenshot the differences and share them in the comments. Third, visit Own Your Finance blog for the complete credit optimization system that's helped over 10,000 people boost their scores by an average of 78 points in 90 days. I've got a free guide that breaks down exactly which actions to take based on your specific credit goals. Find the link on our channel's main page or in the About section below the channel banner. Check back weekly for more financial hack videos. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.